What's up guys, it's your girl Sydney T, long time no see. I'm just going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to be doing soap brows. Soapy brows, soap eyebrows. Today I'm putting soap on my eyebrows, point blank. I've been seeing this trend on Instagram a lot lately. Basically you just have a bar of translucent soap, has to be translucent soap, a spoolie, and you just put your eyebrows into place, into a beautiful bushy placement. And I am intrigued. So right now I have my eyebrows drawn on. I use the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. This right here, this is what I use. It's what I have on my eyebrows now. And it does have a spoolie on the end, so typically I just brush my eyebrows, fill them in, brush them out again. One thing I always wanted is just fuller eyebrows, fuller, thicker eyebrows. And I noticed that you can definitely achieve, well not definitely, I don't know yet, we'll see. But from what I see on Instagram, things like that, is that these girls always achieve a nice full looking bushy brow, which is a dream of mine. And what I have here is some translucent soap. This soap I got from Target. It's Neutrogena transparent facial soap, and it comes with 3 bars. I already took the wrapper off one, and it's like really feels oily. I don't know if that's the right word, but it definitely feels oily. I definitely feel a residue on this, so I wonder if that means it's gonna leave some residue on my eyebrows. Hopefully not a visible residue, but that's definitely a concern of mine. And I do have a spoolie. I'm sure you can also just use the spoolie on the end of a defining pencil like the Maybelline one I have, but I do have a spoolie and I am basically ready to go. These are the only 2 things you need. First things first though, I have to remove the eyebrows I already have. Since I do have makeup on today, I'm just gonna carefully remove just the eyebrow, or try to. I definitely want to get it all out. I don't want to cheat. I want every semblance of pencil gone. I'm bold! This is my bare eyebrow. For now I'm going to keep this one just for reference to see like soap brow versus regular penciled in brow. Another thing about soap brows is I feel like you need to have really well defined brows. You need to have a really nice brow shape, I feel. And I don't. You know how they say brows are sisters, are not twins? I feel like my brows are like more like distant cousins. So this one is my favorite. Everyone has a favorite brow shape. This one is mine. And then this one is, I try hard with this one, but you know, yeah. So I've already gone off camera. I wet my soap, my translucent soap, and I'm just gonna go right in. I've never done this before. I'm just gonna go right in. And I see it's already collecting. It looks white. It looks like a paste. It's already collected some residue from the soap. I don't know when I'm supposed to stop. It's actually just fun and I'm doing it for fun at this point. I'm going to take my soapy hand to hold my mirror and try to brush on Instagram. I look like crazy. I'm definitely gonna do a few more swipes. I do want to re-wet the soap though before I go in because I feel like it's already dried out just a little bit. I'm gonna go in for another layer and see how a second layer fares. because I feel like it's pretty just light right now. I feel like it could still move. Yeah, see, it's already falling apart. I definitely want more hold than that. Amazing. Okay, I'm liking it better. Maybe maybe the trick is to not go straight up like I did the first time, go more like a slant. The way your hairs would kind of naturally grow, like just slanted over diagonally. I am already seeing some white flecks, which could be from the soap, because if you can see, it is like thick and white right now from just building up all that residue and paste from the soap. Or maybe it's just the makeup that I already have, the existing makeup on my face, just entangling with the soap residue. I'm just admiring myself because I think it looks good. I like this. It definitely looks full. Like, my eyebrows have never been this full, this thick ever. That's always been a dream of mine, to have beautiful, thick eyebrows. And this looks good. I want to touch it. Yeah, it definitely, you can definitely feel something on your face. It feels like Vaseline is just on my eyebrow. I wonder what a third swipe will do. I'm going to do a third one just for good measure. I'm going to wet this again. This is going to be the last one. I think I'm just obsessed with this at this point. Oh yeah, no, it needed a third swipe. Alright, so definitely if you're going to try this, go in for the third swipe. It's making a difference. It definitely feels more hold and more in place, 100%. Alright, so soap brow, penciled in brow. Soap brow, penciled in brow. I'm just gonna because this does look a little wild because the hairs are so long, I'm just gonna try to guide it down. Oh. I'm gonna just pat. I feel like it's shiny now. It's just shiny soap on my face. But I feel like it looks so good. I feel like it looks so good. Oh yeah, this definitely might be my new thing. I think this looks so good. My only concern, what if I'm outside and it starts raining? Well, are my eyes gonna sting? Like, this is just gonna run down my face, this soap, and I'm gonna get soap in my eyes. People can't do this in everyday life. Well, maybe just on days it's not gonna rain. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm really obsessed and I want to do the other eyebrow just so I can see how both eyebrows look with the soap brow bushy look. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the other camera and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the other brow. Alright, so here I am. I'm going to go in on the favorite eyebrow. And that's another good point. Like, this is my evil step eyebrow, and I think it still looks good even though it's like a bad eyebrow to begin with. And I think it still looks good, so that's saying something for this technique. This technique is gorgeous. I see no faults. Alright, I'm definitely going to go in. I'm going to go in again. Just hitting all angles on this. Maybe I should have started with a new spoolie, because now this just has so much soap from the first eyebrow. Alright. Just brushing it up. To really get the soap in there, I'm just going to really brush it up like I did the first one, even though that's not the end look I want to go with. I'm just really trying to get the soap in there. Okay, maybe the more soap the better, because this is definitely gliding on easier with more soap, because it definitely has a thicker residue on it. Maybe more soap the better. It's kind of what I'm learning. Oh my god. Who is she? Who is she? Who's that girl with the bushy, thick eyebrows? Who is she? Oh, I think it looks so good. Oh my god. I think it looks so good. All right, this might be harder. You know how it's always hard to match your winged eyeliners? I think it might even be on the same level of difficulty to match your soaped eyebrows, like the level of fluff, because your eyebrows are different and mine are extremely different. I think they look pretty good. They're in place. I'm going to let them dry for a second, and then I'm going to go in with the pencil just to fill them out a little bit more. Even though I think I can stop here, I think they look so good. I definitely want to see their full potential though. I want to see what they look like filled in. This definitely rivals like brow gels. Like, I wouldn't even consider brow gel after this. The only brow gel I've ever really used was the Glossier Clear Brow Gel, which I've done a video on. I'll link it down in the description below if you haven't watched it yet. But I feel like that Glossier Brow Gel doesn't even hold a candle to the hold that these soap brows have right now. Like, the soap is put this in place, and I don't think they're going anywhere. This is gonna be here until I wash my face at the end of the day. I think these brows are here to stay. I could probably go through a wind tunnel and it'll probably just make my brows look better because they'll push them up even more. I think this looks so good. All right, and I think they've dried enough. I'm gonna go in with the pencil. And I'm not going to fill it in like I usually would my regular eyebrows because they're already in place where I want them to be. I'm just going to go with light strokes just to fill out the bare spaces in between. Oh my gosh, this is kind of hard. Alright, this is kind of hard because there's a film over my brows from the soap. So it's hard to get in there and actually let the brow pencil do anything, because it's just like a barrier between my skin where it needs to be filled and the pencil. This is harder than I expected it to be. Maybe if it wasn't this kind of pencil, maybe with a powder it would be easier and like, yeah, just easier to get in there in between the spaces. But with this, it's a little difficult. Yeah, I think that's as good as this eyebrow is gonna get. Let's hope the prodigal eyebrow does a little better. And it does, of course, it does. Why? Who knows? But it's doing a lot better. Yes! Yes! Wow. 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 Okay, I love it. I think it looks good. You can't tell me anything. Maybe I overdid it a little with this eyebrow because it had a lot more soap than I started out with this one. But I am obsessed. I think it looks so good. I look a little evil. I overdid it. I overdid it. I'll admit it. But it's just so much fun, and I think it looks so good. Maybe what I'll do is, next time I probably won't go in with the pencil. I think the pencil's unnecessary. It's like, it makes them look even thicker than you've already made them look with just the soap. So next time I'll 86 the pencil altogether, and I'll just stick with the soap brows, with just the soap on my eyebrows. I think it looks so good. And it is raining today. It's So I'm not gonna go outside. I have to stay home because I don't want soap in my eyes. I don't want to be in pain. But I think this looks so good. Definitely would try it again. Instagram, thank you again for pushing me to do another thing. I am impressed. I think it looks good. I think I look good. I can take on the world tomorrow when it's not raining. I think it looks so good, and they're definitely going to last. I feel it. My eyebrows aren't going anywhere. So you can have really inexpensive, great looking eyebrows that'll last you all day. I'm very impressed. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and let me know if you have tried soap brows, how you like it, how you think it looks on me. I think I'm probably gonna hold off on the filling after I do the soap brow. Definitely next time. But I think this is definitely a good trick. Definitely something I'm going to keep up with. Definitely something I think you should try. Let me know in the comment section what more things you would like to see from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!